Hi guys, how are you? It's Foxy. Welcome back to my channel. I didn't actually plan this video. It's so random. I'm getting ready and I'm not in a rush today. I'm getting ready for a date with my man. As you can see, I already have the curler in my hair for my cotton bang. Just randomly felt like I want to make a video. So why not? Let's get started. First product that I'm gonna use, it's Kosas Glow 4 Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer. It's illuminating primer and I love it so much. I'm gonna put it all over my face. It feels really nice on the skin. It's like a skincare slash makeup product. I mean, just look at your face this kind of an inner glow-like look, and I probably have to put some on my neck because I didn't self-tan. I'm so pale, it's autumn, so I need to put some on my neck. This is the lightest shade of this Kosas primer and it's a bit dark for me anyways. I'm super pale, I'm a ghost, okay? Next product, this is my baby, okay? This is my love. I love it so much with all my heart. It's Chanel La Beige, my favorite serum foundation. This is just magic in a bottle. It's so lightweight and it looks super beautiful on the skin, especially for those days when you don't want to wear makeup, but you want some, like, you know, a little bit of a coverage. You can spread it with hands. Sometimes I spread it with hands, sometimes with brush. I don't know, I feel like I want to spread it with a brush today. Let's do that because I applied a little bit too much, so I think the brush will remove the excess. But oh my god, just look how gorgeous this foundation looks on the skin. It looks like your skin but better, and it feels so nice. I mean, I don't feel anything on my face right now. So this primer in combination with this foundation, they really work their magic. This looks amazing. Oh, I can't. I'm gonna be your little reminder to clean your brushes, okay? Because I clean my brushes every time I use them. Every time. So I have a lot of brushes here, and every time I use a brush, I put it here in this little cup, and then I wash it. I clean it the same day. If I'm in a rush, I just put it here and leave it in my beauty bathroom. But if I'm not in a rush, I clean it right away, right after my makeup. What's wrong with me today? Right after my makeup is done. So yeah, my skin feels amazing. I mean, just look at this. Next product is a concealer. This is Dermacol makeup cover. You really need just a little bit. This is super pigmented. I mean, I just put it right here under my eyes and they're gone. I mean, where's my under eye? It's gone. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it here also, and here. Now I am going to put this Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush. This is such a gorgeous shade, and this formula is super sheer and moisturizing. I mean, I'm gonna blend it with the same brush that I blended the foundation with. This is pretty pigmented, right? But it's pretty. We're going on a sushi date with my husband. My favorite kind of dates are beach dates and sushi dates, and basically this is a restaurant with a beach view, and the sushi here are really nice. Now I'm going to contour my face with this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in a shade Mink. I'm not gonna apply it straight on my face. I'm gonna show you my little life hack, how you can control the application really well. I have this mirror, right? I had the highlighter here, but after it fell from my vanity table, it got destroyed, and basically I didn't really like this highlighter shade anyway, so my husband, thank you baby, he cleaned it perfectly, so I can now use it as a makeup mixing palette. So I put it right here, like so. I am going to apply it with a brush. You see? It's perfect. And you can control the application. I mean, the control level is just out of this world. Now I'm gonna blend it with a clean brush. So you can use the back of your hand for this purpose instead of the palette. Sometimes I like to use the back of my hand, sometimes the palette. It doesn't really matter, it only depends on my mood. And if I'm lazy enough to not to be able to go grab the palette, so I only use my hand. Now I'm going to apply this Focolor Star Crash Stretchy Highlighter in a shade BR02 Lounge Adrift. Gonna use a bit on my cheeks, and it has some little sparkles in it, and I'm gonna apply some on my eyelids because I don't really want to do bold eye makeup today. I'm gonna go with a no makeup look, but anyway, I already have a bronzer going on my face, and I don't really think it looks like no makeup anymore, but you know the trouble. We all girls get it sometimes because we cannot stop. It's just too relaxing and we love doing our makeup. Now I'm going to set everything with a powder. It's an Easy Bake and Snatch Huda Beauty powder in a shade Cupcake. I'm gonna apply it with a puff. And I'm gonna set my under eye with it. And some nose creases, like so. And here on my on my forehead, a bit here. A little lighting stopped working. It's probably dead. I need to charge it, but I have no time. As you can see, I only set my under eye, around my nose, my forehead and my chin, and here I didn't set because I'm gonna set it with powder bronzer and powder highlighter, so I'm not gonna use the powder, the setting powder. I'm gonna use Benefit Hoola bronzer. It's super pigmented, so I only add a little bit. Yeah. And the neck. Now I'm gonna add some blush to my cheek. It's I Heart Revolution's Strong Shimmer Blush. And apply it with the same brush that I applied bronzer with. This blush is super beautiful. It's gentle and so natural looking. It has some highlighting sparkles to it. And my favorite highlighter ever, it's Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I tried many highlighters that were supposed to be a dupes for this one. I mean, it's so pretty. But yeah, they're beautiful, but not saying beautiful, you know? They're just different, and this one isn't comparable. I mean, it's undupable. I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids too. how could I forget the nose? Yes. The inner corners of my eyes. Yeah. Like so. So pretty. Okay. Now I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows and add a little bit of a color to them. I mean a little bit, just a little bit color to the tail. And that's it. I think that's enough. Let's brush it out again to blend it a bit so it will look more seamless. So nobody's gonna know. Let's add some eyeliner. I'm using the magnetic eyeliner. This was the eyeliner for magnetic lashes, but I tried them once and I didn't like them. Honestly, I don't know how people use magnetic eyelashes. It's so uncomfortable and it doesn't stay on the place where you put it. Never stays. Yeah, that's it. I think that's enough eyeliner for today. If you still remember, I tried to do no makeup look. I'm gonna use the Catrice No Panda Eyes mascara. It's Glamendule Easy Wash Off Power Hold Volume Mascara. Why so long? Why this name is so long? It's a tubing mascara and I really love tubing mascaras. They're super easy to remove. You only need warm water and that's it. First coat is done. It looks so fluffy. Love it so much. I'm not gonna apply mascara on my lower lashes today. I mean, I'm not really a lower lashes mascara girly. Now I'm gonna use the MAC Plum lip pencil because my husband loves it so much. He said that it goes really well with my style and my hair color. I mean, I agree with him, you know. I really love it too. Liner is done. Now let's add some Maybelline Superstay Vanilla ink in the shade 10 Lippy. I'm gonna add it right in the center. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm going to add MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in a shade Cream Cup on top. I'm going in around the red lipstick so I don't touch it with this. And let's finish it with a Dior lip oil in a shade 020 Mahogany. This smells amazing, this feels amazing, and I really love it, and it looks amazing. Let's unpack my bangs. Yeah, I really love how it turned out, and I am going to mix two perfumes together today. I'm gonna use this Arabic perfume. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I'm sure I will pronounce it wrong. I will link everything in the caption, including the perfumes. It smells like fruity vanilla. It's something else. I'm gonna apply it on my neck and on my wrists. And on top of it, I'm gonna add Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. I have really huge perfume collection. I have more than like 140 fragrances, I think, plus body mists and everything. I mean, 140 is just for the perfumes. I have around 35-40 favorite perfumes, but this is just like my signature one. This is my baby. I love it so much. This is just gorgeous, and I'm gonna add it on top. of this oil perfume. And now the whole restaurant will probably need to smell me because they have no choice. They have no choice. I really love this perfume. They have no choice. I gotta go. My husband is already waiting for me in the living room. So as always, have a nice day, take care of yourself, and see you later. We love your Foxy.